Hello, dear students. I welcome you all in today's session. And I know we are meeting after a month. 1 month back, you had your vacation started. So I thought today we will be having a direct interaction, and I have received some homework also on my mail ID. Some of you have done it. Those who have not sent, do send it on my mail ID. That's not a problem at all. And I really thank you all for coming back and joining, because we did miss you all. What happened is that the online session started from 25th of March. Then March, then whole of April, whole of May, we had interactions. So there was a time when I don't know about others, but I interacting with you all. It was because it was always a pleasure interacting with you and getting you all back. And yes, because I'm just interacting with you, so I would like to say that I have been going to school from last 1 month. 2nd of June I started going to school when the lockdown was a bit I mean, I won't say free, but I mean, we have to go to the offices. So children, the school was totally I mean, school is not a place to go without the students around. बहुत ख़राब लगता है एंड हम आपको बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं. सो आई एम जस्ट होपिंग दैट द थिंग्स टर्न ऑन वेल and we meet soon. We'll be definitely doing that. Till then, we will be having our interactive sessions and we will be having our classes. So children, please do join the classes, be very regular. And you know, it's other classes, all the students have to be regular, but you know, with class 10th, the things are always more watchful, and you have to be very regular. You have to keep it in mind that whatever interactions we are conducting, whatever interactions we are having, these will have right now you are not understanding, but it will have an effect in the forthcoming sessions, in the forthcoming times. We don't know, everything is so uncertain in nowadays now, that we can't tell you that examinations will be happening and do prepare it in this manner. Whatever is happening, it is happening on a daily basis. A lot of circulars are coming. CBSE is also working on it. All the teachers, they have also suggested a lot of things to CBSE. But students, you have to keep it in mind, things are not the way it was in the previous years. So you have to be on your toes, and safety comes first. After going through the complete situations that are happening from last 3 months, I mean April, May and June, 3 months, whatever we have seen, after that we can say that nothing is more than human life and human safety. So please do take care of yourselves. So we are starting with the second session of online classes. For these online classes, children, we are having we will be starting, I have just kept the syllabus. I just wanted to discuss the syllabus with you all, so that the next session that we are starting with, you should know which all chapters will be doing. As and when the subjects we will be starting, we will be discussing all this all together. Today we will be starting with the third chapter. 2 chapters we have already done in history. You can see it is already mentioned here, chapter 1 and chapter 2. We have done this and we have done this. Okay. Now children, what we are going to start is the third chapter. Third chapter, here I wanted you all to see, and I wanted you all to understand that in this third chapter we have two chapters, Making of a Global World and Age of Industrialization. So children, we are doing both the chapters because as it is said here that we have to choose any one theme. We have to do any one chapter. So in the previous years also the children were very comfortable with this second chapter, the age of industrialization. So we will be starting with this chapter only, the age of industrialization, and I will try my best to make this chapter interesting to you. You will find the chapter interesting. So I'm starting the chapter. I hope you like it. I know you will be enjoying it. We will be having we will be having all the chapter that we will be completing in this session. We will be seeing that each and every topic and each and every line is covered. Why I am saying so this is, children, because NCERT is the only book which you need to consult for your boards. And whatever be there, lockdown is there, online classes are happening, you are not coming to the school, whatever happens, your assessment will be done. Got it? It would be through the in the way, in the manner we have been doing it. So we will be doing it. Age of industrialization, we will be doing this chapter, and then we will be having this last chapter, that is in section 3, everyday life, culture and politics. In this we will be doing the print culture. Right now we are starting with the 4th chapter, the age of industrialization. I know you all are having the book. You might have all downloaded the books from the CBSE sites. If you don't, by now you all might be having. If you all don't have, please do that. Books are also available on our website, our IPS website. All the books are there, online books are available. So please, we will be conducting the session. I will be going through each and every line and every topic from your chapter. So we are starting with this 4th chapter, the age of industrialization. Okay, children. And yes, after this the classes that we will be, the videos that you will be watching, the videos that you will be viewing, you are most welcome to discuss all your doubts in the online session that would be conducted as per the given schedule, and your social science classes online sessions will be conducted from 12 to 12:45. 12 से 12:45 बच्चों आपका क्लास होगा. सो बी वेरी रेगुलर इन दीज क्लासेस. इफ योर अटेंडेंस विल बी हैपनिंग, यस. So try to be regular, not try to be, you have to be regular. There is no other option, my dear children. Got it? So let's begin with the chapter. So children, as we have already discussed, I am starting with the chapter, and you can see the chapter is already here, the age of industrialization. This chapter starts with a picture, beautiful picture. You can see it is mentioned here. You have to remember the name, the title of this picture. Got it? This picture had the title Dawn of the Century, March and Two Steps. Now what happens, children, in these chapters that we will be doing, there are certain pictures are there, and in the questions, in the boards, the questions that you will be getting, these questions would be pictographic questions also. There would be pictographic questions also, where you need to answer the questions related to the picture as well as the people who have painted these pictures. Okay, so you can see here the picture is given here, the Dawn of the Century. The name of the picture is Dawn of the Century, and who has made it? E.T. Paul. Please remember the name, E.T. Paul. And when did he make it? So New York and England 1900, this picture was published in by a music company. Now what happened? In 1900 what happened? You can see it is mentioned here just now that we were discussing that E.T. Paul, try to understand, again I am telling you, please remember the name, not only the picture, but the person who has made the picture, you need to remember the name of the person. Okay, E.T. Paul, he produced a music book. Okay. Now the question could be asked, where was this picture published? Then you have to mention that it was produced, he had produced it in a music book. It had a picture on the cover page announcing the dawn of the century. Now try to understand the meaning of word dawn. Did you see this word dawn? What is the meaning of dawn? Yeah, children, you need to improve your vocabulary also, isn't it? आप के जो वर्ड्स हैं, यू शुड नो द वर्ड मीनिंग्स. अगर आप ये वर्ड मीनिंग्स नहीं समझोगे तो चैप्टर्स को समझने में, कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स को समझने में आपको दिक्कत होगी. सो माई सजेशन टू यू इज दैट यू बेटर जस्ट लर्न these words, keep a dictionary with you and try to find out these word meanings in the dictionary. Got it? Now I'll tell you for your reference, for your understanding, I'll explain it to you that it is dawn. Dawn means सुबह. सुबह का जो समय होता है बिल्कुल 5 बजे के आसपास वाला जो होता है, रात जा रही होती है, सुबह आ रही होती है, that is dawn. Means the beginning of the century. कब की है ये? 1900. Got it? 20th century was starting. 1900 के बाद 100 years का एक सेंचुरी होता है ना. You all know it very well. आपको पता है. So when 100 years की एक सेंचुरी है 1900 में, the century is starting. And he said, उनको ये लगा, he felt that this century will give a very different kind of a life to the people. People will be enjoying their lives. They will be having a very new kind of customs and traditions in their life. वो क्या है? We will be understanding in this chapter. Okay children, now what happened? अब यहाँ पे here they are saying कि आप, you can see from the illustration, you can see from the picture that in the picture क्या है? There is one goddess like figure. अभी देखेंगे, we will see. एक तो आपको देखना है goddess like figure. Now please try to understand children, ये कौन सा word है? This is not angle. Please, many of you will read it as angle. No, it is angel of progress. जो हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, the way we are progressing, in that progress there is an angel there. Got it? तो angel of progress is there and she is bearing the flag of the new century. नया सेंचुरी आ रहा है, new century is coming, so this new century flag is being carried by this angel. And she is gently perched on a wheel, मतलब एक चक्के पे she is there with wings symbolizing time. देखो बेटा, try to understand one thing. चक्के का मतलब क्या है? What does the wheel signify? You will find wheel. सबसे बड़ा यहाँ पे I would like to give the example. You have seen our tricolor flag and flag के बीच में क्या है? It is wheel. It is a sign of progress. It shows us, it proves us that हम रुक नहीं रहे हैं, हम लगातार चल रहे हैं. All this, अभी I would like to cite the example of corona virus. क्या हम रुक गए? आप घर में बैठे हैं, क्या आपकी क्लासेस नहीं हो रही हैं? We never stop. And that is what is life all about, children. Whatever be, whatever happens, you have to keep on moving. Life is never static. अगर आप रुक गए, थम गए, you are not having a proper life. इट्स अ टाइम, यू हैव टू कीप ऑन मूविंग. एंड ये भी देखना है कि अच्छे से अच्छी चीज़ के लिए मूव कर रहे हैं. इट्स नॉट दैट यू आर डूइंग समथिंग बैड. गॉट इट? सो हर फ्लाइट इज टेकिंग हर इन टू द फ्यूचर, फ्लोटिंग अबाउट बिहाइंड हर. क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं? बहुत सारी चीज़ें. यू विल फाइंड रेलवे. आई एम सॉरी चिल्ड्रन. You will find railway, camera, machines, printing press, factory. All these things are symbolizing progress. Just see. अभी हमने क्या पढ़ा था? There is the bird with the wings. A big wheel is there. I'm sorry children. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो मशीनें हैं. यू कैन सी दीज मशीन्स, यू कैन सी ऑल दीज मूवेबल थिंग्स, हाउ इट इज मूविंग. हाँ, सो कंटिन्यूअस मूवमेंट इज देयर. नो, दिस लेडी इज मूविंग एंड इट इज द डॉन ऑफ द सेंचुरी. सेंचुरी आगे आ रहा है और ये लेडी, शी इज सिंबलाइजिंग प्रोग्रेस. ये देखो इसके सर पे क्या है. अभी हमारे लिए लाइट कुछ नहीं है. अभी हम स्विच ऑन करते हैं, लाइट ऑन हो जाती है तो हमको सब चीज़ बहुत आसान लगता है. बट थिंक ऑफ अ टाइम, एक टाइम तो कभी रहा होगा जब ये लाइट नहीं थी. क्या उस समय लोग काम नहीं करते थे? वेयर द पीपल नॉट वर्किंग? दे वेर वर्किंग. ऑल द थिंग्स वेर हैपनिंग. नो, वी डिड नॉट स्टॉप एनीवेयर. सो दिस व्हील इज कंटिन्यूअसली मूविंग. This light is showing, this light is signifying that progress is happening. Just see. Got it? Yes, children. We need to understand simple things. These are simple things. Abhi, her flight is taking her into the future. She is moving towards the progress. She is moving to the future. एंड इसमें क्या क्या है? रेलवे, कैमरा, मशीन, प्रिंटिंग प्रेस, फैक्ट्री, सारी चीज़ें हैं. यू ऑल्सो हैव द बुक. आप उसमें बुक में ये देख सकते हो. अभी देखो न्यू वर्ड्स. या हियर आई वुड लाइक टू सिग्निफाई दैट ऑल दीज न्यू वर्ड्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चिल्ड्रन. आपको ये सारे न्यू वर्ड्स याद करने हैं. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर ऑल दीज न्यू वर्ड्स. गॉट इट? The new words that you'll find here is Orient and Asia. The countries to the east of the Mediterranean, usually we tell it about Asia. The term arises out of a Western viewpoint that sees this region as pre-modern, traditional and mysterious. अब इसको समझो. I know you all might not be understanding. I'll explain it children. Orient means कि अभी जैसे कि हम कहते हैं ना, वी आर टूवर्ड्स ईस्ट. इंडिया की बात कर रही हूँ. गॉट इट? इंडिया इज टूवर्ड्स ईस्ट. सो ऑल दीज वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज दैट आर देयर, हम जितने भी हैं, ऑल दीज यूरोप, अमेरिका, ऑल दीज डेवलपमेंटल कंट्रीज दैट आर देयर, दे आर टूवर्ड्स द वेस्ट. तो वो हमको ईस्ट कहते हैं. दे कॉल अस, हम ईस्ट में हैं और वो हमारे वेस्ट में है. ठीक है? उनके ईस्ट में एशिया है और एशिया के ईस्ट में क्या है? यूरोप एंड अमेरिका. तो टर्म कहाँ से आ रहा है? ओरिएंट वर्ड. फ्रॉम वेयर इज दिस वर्ड ओरिएंट कमिंग? इट इज कमिंग आउट ऑफ अ वेस्टर्न व्यू पॉइंट. द वेस्टर्न पीपल, द वे दे थिंक, द वे दे प्रोग्रेस, द वे दे डेवलप, all these things are included in Orient. And this region was called as pre-modern, traditional, mysterious Asia. मतलब उनको लगता था ना, all these people from Europe, they always used to feel that the countries that are towards the east, that is Asia, the European countries always used to feel that these countries are backward, बहुत ज़्यादा फॉरवर्ड नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा थॉट प्रोसेस अच्छा नहीं है. तो they thought it in a very different manner. So pre-modern, traditional and mysterious. इस एशियन कंट्रीज़ के बारे में उनको हमेशा लगता था सारी चीज़ें तो पता नहीं है. They always wanted to come to the Asian countries to know that actually what are the things that is making Asia so mysterious. How come it is happening that the countries which are there here, I mean Asia में, उसमें इतनी सारी चेंजेस कैसे हो रही हैं और क्या क्या चेंजेस हैं. ओके, 19th century बेटे it was coming. Glorification of what all things were there. Glorification of machines was there, technology. बाद में भी फिर एक पिक्चर आई. ऐसा नहीं, वी आर नॉट ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट द dawn of the century. Many pictures were coming. Other pictures that were coming appeared on the pages of trade magazine, the business magazines that were there over 100 years ago. इसमें क्या है, दे आर शोइंग टू मैजिशियंस आर देयर. दो जादूगर हैं, यू नो मैजिशियंस ना, जादूगर हैं. एंड सबसे ऊपर में है देयर इज अलादीन फ्रॉम द ओरिएंट हु बिल्ट अ ब्यूटिफुल पैलेस विथ हिज मैजिक लैम्प. चिल्ड्रन, हियर आई वुड लाइक टू से समथिंग. आपको क्या लगता है, मैजिक कुछ होता है? Do you feel magic is there? I don't feel so. Magic is nothing, you know, because once na I was seeing TV. ऐसे I'm just sharing a nice story with you. TV में देख रहे थे तो there was a very when I was young ना, जब मैं बहुत छोटी थी उस समय टीवी भी तो था नहीं, देयर वॉज नो टेलीविजन एंड ऑल. तो द मैजिशियंस यूज टू कम टू आवर स्कूल में मैजिक शोज होते थे. एक बार ये अपने आईपीएस में भी आए थे. द मैजिशियन हैड कम एंड ही हैज़ डन सम ट्रिक्स. तो ये क्या होता है, मैजिशियंस वॉट एवर दे डू इट इज़ जस्ट प्रैक्टिस. जादू कुछ नहीं होता, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि वो कुछ ऐसा हिला देंगे हाथ और कुछ चिड़िया निकल आए. नो, दे डू ऑल प्रैक्टिस. इट इज़ ऑल समथिंग वेरी साइंटिफिक. आप मैजिशियंस का जब चीज़ों को समझोगे, समझने की कोशिश करोगे, देन यू विल बी अंडरस्टैंडिंग देयर इज़ नथिंग एज सच मैजिक. ठीक है, तो बट ऐसे आई वॉज जस्ट शेयरिंग इट विथ यू दैट अलादीन हैज़ मेड मॉडर्न मैकेनिक्स से ही हैज़ मेड अ बिग बहुत ही बड़ा सा इन्होंने वो बनाया महल. ही हैज़ मेड अ पैलेस and he has used modern tools, building, bridge, ship, tower and high rise buildings are there. So Aladdin, what is he doing? He is representing east and the, try to understand यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ है. Aladdin is shown as representing the east and the past. The mechanic stands for west and modernity. Means the western parts that are there, the west that is there, हम तो east में हैं, they are in the west. वहाँ पे they are showing कि lot of magic was happening with science, because people have accepted science. तो साइंस के साथ मिलके बहुत सारे मैजिक कर रहे हैं. अभी क्या होता है, आप you will see wonders of the world, big buildings are there, and modern world maybe you will find some of the people who are traditionally very strong. So it is not magic, it is science. Scientifically, then when people are developed, scientifically when people do some different things, आज जैसे स्काई स्क्रैपर्स हैं, 101 माले की बिल्डिंग है, 50 फ्लोर्स, 101 फ्लोर्स. इज इट मैजिक? नो, इट इज साइंस. दे आर सेइंग यहाँ पे सोचो, आज हम वी आर इन द 21st सेंचुरी. ठीक है, 2020 हो गया, अभी 80 ईयर्स और बचे हैं 21st सेंचुरी एंड होने में. तो मैकेनिक स्टैंड्स फॉर वेस्ट एंड मॉडर्निटी. दीज इमेजेस, ये जो इमेजेस हैं, दिस वी आर शोइंग, ऑफरिंग अस अ ट्रायम्फेंट अकाउंट. ट्रायम्फेंट मीन्स विक्टोरियस, जीत गए हैं. गॉट इट? वी गॉट द ट्रायम्फ, वी गॉट द विक्ट्री ऑफ द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड. मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड में क्या है, it is associated with rapid technological changes are there, innovations are there, machines are there, factories are there, ठीक है, railway, steamship, all these things means जितना भी आप development सोच सकते हो, whatever development you can think, it is all there. Got it? That is. And industrialization then signifies the story of development, and modern age is looking very wonderful, very beautiful, and development का एक अलग phase चला. There was a different phase of development where it was shown, where it was seen that science was giving all, science was contributing to this developmental process. Got it? See, it is clearly mentioned. History of industrialization thus becomes simply a story of development. And the modern age appears as a wonderful time of technological progress. Technology is at its best. अभी क्या है? It has become a part of imagination. Popular, everybody can think. अभी सब लोग सोच सकते हैं. लेकिन जिस समय की हम बात कर रहे हैं, when the century was starting, at that time, thinking about scientific things, thinking about technology was privilege. एक ही दो लोग सोच पाते थे, सबका scientific bent of mind नहीं था. Everybody could not think of it. Got it? और आज क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं हमारे पास साइंस के थ्रू, what all things we have got. High rise buildings are there, bridges are there. Society is developing day by day. तो ये images how it have developed, how do we relate to these ideas, ये scientific technology how did it develop, what all changes it has brought, ठीक है, and industrialization what does it mean to the people's life, लोगों की ज़िंदगी में कैसे changes आए, ये सारे questions के answer, all these answers, these questions will be answered in this chapter. We will understand that where did these machines come from, how were the factories established, how did the progress happen, everything, how did it start. Okay, so that is there. Now one activity is there, इसको देख लेना. If you all can do it, well, good and fine. नहीं भी कर पाते हो तो कोई बात नहीं, we will be discussing it in the class. 2 examples you have to give where modern development is associated with progress. Development तो हुआ, progress तो हुआ, लेकिन क्या होता है when we develop, when we do progress, when we move forward, हमको कुछ कीमत चुकानी पड़ती है. I am explaining in a very simple language. We have to pay price for that. So we have to think about areas that is related to environmental issues, nuclear weapons, diseases. You can give the example of corona. Yes children, believe me, यहाँ पे आप कोरोना का एग्जाम्पल आराम से दे सकते हो कि हम डेवलप तो कर गए, लेकिन ऐसी डेवलपमेंट के चक्कर में क्या हो गया, जस्ट लुक एट द काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स वी आर फेसिंग. ऐसी प्रॉब्लम्स फेस कर रहे हैं जिसका कि सॉल्यूशन ही नहीं है. सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड हाउ लाइफ हैज़ बिकम टफ, कितना मुश्किल है. तो 2 एग्जाम्पल्स आपको देना है. मॉडर्न डेवलपमेंट वेयर वी आर प्रोग्रेसिंग, प्रोग्रेस के वजह से हमको जो प्रॉब्लम्स हुई है. प्लीज़ गिव द प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटेड टू एनवायरमेंटल इशू. यू कैन गिव द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिल्ली. दिल्ली में क्या था, अभी पॉल्यूशन कम हो गया है क्योंकि अभी लोग बाहर ही नहीं निकल रहे हैं, गाड़ियाँ ही नहीं चल रही हैं. यू हैव लेस ऑफ व्हीकल्स, सो यू हैव लेस ऑफ पेट्रोल, डीजल का कम इस्तेमाल हो रहा है. डेवलपमेंट इज़ हैपनिंग एंड प्रोग्रेस हैज़ लेड टू एनवायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन. How this degradation had happened, what all problems people are facing. You have to mention about the health issues. प्लीज़ डू मेंशन अबाउट द हेल्थ इश्यूज़, कितने लोगों की तबीयत ख़राब हो रही है. गॉट इट? सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स यू कैन ईजली मेंशन. And then we will be carrying on in the next class. We will be doing the next topic कि इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन के पहले क्या था. जब इंडस्ट्रीज नहीं थी तो भी तो कुछ रहा होगा. So what was all that? We will be discussing it in the next class. Till then, just keep revising and get your doubts solved in the online session. Thank you children and all the best to you.